Hello everyone, welcome to Amplify Learning. If you are planning to become an engineer in India, you already know the ultimate dream, getting into an IIT or an NIT. But clearing the JEE exam is only half the battle. The other half is a massive matchmaking process called JoSAA. In 2026, the rules of the game changed completely. Today we are going to break down exactly what is happening in the world of engineering admissions, what subjects students are fighting for, and what you need to know right now in class 10, 11 or 12 to stay ahead. First, what is JoSAA? Think of JoSAA as a giant centralized sorting hat. It takes all the students who pass the JEE exams and helps them pick their seats across 121 top government colleges, including 23 IITs and 32 NITs. In 2026, there was a record-breaking number of seats, over 62,000. But don't let that huge number fool you. The competition for the top spots is tougher than ever. Okay, so before we talk about colleges, let's talk about the exam itself. Over the last few years, the JEE paper has changed its style. Here is the secret recipe right now. Mathematics has become a marathon. It's no longer just about knowing the formulas, it's about calculating fast without getting tired. It is the toughest part of the paper. Physics has calmed down a bit. It's not about crazy math anymore, but you need crystal clear basic concepts. Chemistry is still where you can score the most marks easily, but watch out. Organic chemistry has become much more trickier. Because students are preparing so well, the competition at the top is crazy. Imagine this, getting just one integer question wrong could drop your rank by 50 to 100 places. So when students get these top ranks, what do they choose? A decade ago, people just wanted the IIT Bombay or IIT Delhi brand name, no matter what subject they studied. Not anymore. Today, computer science is the absolute king, but there's a new twist. Artificial intelligence and mathematics and computing are the new superstar subjects. Why? Because these are the courses that lead to massive salaries in global tech companies and finance. In fact, students are happily giving up older IITs to study computer science at a newer IIT or top NIT. It's all about the subject now, not just the college name. Let's look at the exact number so you know what target to set. Across all 121 JoSAA colleges, there are 62,853 total seats up for grabs. Here is how they split up. 23 IITs, 18,160 seats selected through JEE Advanced. 32 NITs, 24,525 seats selected through JEE Main. Triple IITs and GFTIs, over 20,000 seats combined. Now, how many marks do you actually need in JEE Advanced to get a top rank? It changes every single year depending on how tough the exam paper is. For instance, in 2024, when the paper was easier, getting the top 1000 required 65% marks, but in 2022, when the paper was brutally hard, you could enter the top 1000 with just 47% marks. Recently, securing a top 10,000 rank took around 33% to 40% marks. Before we look at the numbers, what do opening rank and closing rank actually mean? Think of it like buying tickets for a popular concert. The opening rank is the rank of the very first student who grabbed a seat in that course. The closing rank is the rank of the last student who squeezed in before all seats were sold out. If a branch closes at rank 1000, it means rank 101 did not get in. Let's look at the numbers for the top 3 IITs and top 3 NITs to see where the target line is drawn. Let's start with the big 3 IITs, where admission is based on your JEE Advanced All India rank. IIT Bombay. Computer science is the most competitive branch in India. It opened at rank 1 and closed at rank 67. Even its newer artificial intelligence and data science program closed at a staggering rank 55. If you're looking at electrical engineering, it closed at rank 541, while mechanical closed around rank 1900 and civil closed at rank 4470. IIT Delhi. Computer science opened at rank 35 and closed at rank 128. But check out mathematics and computing. It closed at rank 338, making it tougher to get into than electrical engineering, which closed at rank 612. Their AI branch closed at rank 75. IIT Madras ranked number 1 overall in India. Computer science closed at rank 151, while AI and data analytics closed at rank 226. Electrical engineering closed at rank 749, and mechanical engineering closed at rank 2619. Now, what if you're aiming for the top National Institutes of Technology NITs? Admission here depends on your JEE main rank. Here are the numbers for the top 3 NITs under the other state quota. NIT Trichy, Tamil Nadu, the undisputed number 1 NIT. Computer Science closed at rank 1449. Electronics and Communication closed at rank 4500, while Electrical closed at rank 9052, and Civil Engineering closed at rank 22800. NIT Warangal, famous for its coding environment, Computer Science closed at rank 2409, while its AI specialization closed at rank 3386. ECE closed around rank 5654, and Mechanical closed at rank 15135. NIT Rourkela, boasting one of the largest campuses in India. Computer Science closed at rank 3431, ECE closed at rank 8000, Electrical closed at rank 11000, and Mechanical closed at rank 18,000. Now, what do these statistics tell us? Computer science and AI branches are extremely tight. To get CSE at a top IIT, you generally need to be in the top 500 in India. Top NITs rival mid-tier IITs. Getting computer science at NIT Trichy is actually harder than getting mechanical engineering at IIT Bombay. Core branches give you a wider doorway. If your primary dream is entering an elite campus, core branches stretch your entry rank from 2000 up to 25,000 plus. Knowing these numbers early helps you set realistic targets long before you sit for your exams. And after your exams, you can quickly understand how it's gonna pan out based on how was the difficulty of the exam and how many students sat in it, right? Now, I strongly recommend for students that will be giving JE next year to always read the documentation for the counseling, the latest documentation very thoroughly, understanding all the rules and regulations, freeze, float, and everything. If you want a detailed video on all this, do leave a comment and we'll make one. So, if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more student tips, and let me know in the comments which engineering branch sounds the coolest to you. See you in the next video.